I am Captain Discovery.
Let's go for a ride!
Yay! Yellow. Green. Pink.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain Discovery, and I'm back! Let's paint my face and learn our colors. So, let's begin! Blue. Red. Green. Yellow. Cyan. Pink. Wow, my face looks so colorful. See you soon. Bye.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Captain Discovery is now premiered first on HooplaKidz Plus in a safe and ad-free environment. Simply log on to plus.hooplakids.com and grab your 90-day free trial now. Hey kids, let's go to the fair and have some fun.
Captain, can we play spin the wheel?
Why not? Let's play.
Green turtle. It's my turn now. Orange fish.
My turn.
Red octopus.
Here I go.
Yellow starfish.
We had lots of fun today. Until next time, bye.
Captain Discovery.
Hello.
Ooh. Ah,
Hey. Oh. Yay!
Red.
Oh! Woohoo!
Green.
Oh yay!
Purple.
Bye-bye.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Captain Discovery is now premiered first on HooplaKidz Plus in a safe and ad-free environment. Simply log on to plus.hooplakids.com and grab your 90-day free trial now. Hi Jim, hi Hannah. Where have you guys reached?
We are here now, Captain.
Great! Now walk straight towards the red car. Take the S-shaped route and you'll reach the bus stop. Then take the bus and drive it to the river. A boat will be waiting to help you cross the river. And then an airplane will help you reach the top of the mountain, where you will find the treasure.
A treasure? Here we come. Hey, look, Jim. It's the red car. You drive the car, Jim. Jump in.
Hey guys, where have you reached now?
We are crossing the bridge in a red car, Captain.
Hey, Hannah, we found the bus.
Let's jump in.
Now you drive, Hannah.
Wow, it's a boat. Woohoo! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Ha ha ha. Good song, Hannah.
Haha, thanks, Jim. Hey, look, it's an airplane. I will fly this airplane.
Okay, Hannah. Thank you, Hannah, for landing us safely.
Wow, we found the treasure. Woohoo!
Hi, kids. I am Captain Discovery. See you next time.